Tanya and Paul again. So last week we discussed chin tucks to lengthen that part of the neck and stretch. This week we're going to talk about shoulder placements and elbow placements. So remember when we introduced this series we said we need to bring the elbows in and relax the shoulders. So we're going to do more of an active movement with this today. So if you have your elbows out again, Paul. So from here, I want you to think of drawing your shoulder blades together at the back and then sending your shoulders down. So basically you're trying to pull your shoulders there and then down so that you're actively pulling them back and down. So that is going to give you a stretch across the chest. These muscles can get really tight, especially for those of you that do this for a living. These muscles can get really tight. And you may not think, oh, it's not going to affect me, but I promise you, in 20 years' time of doing hours and hours of driving, you're going to land up with a posture like that. And then to get that straight is going to be a lot of hard work. So it's best to try and look after yourself now. So shoulders back, think of pulling the shoulder blades together. Again, if you've got your seat over here, work against the seat. Use the seat for feedback. I used to work in Exeter. So as soon as I used to get onto the dual carriageway, I would go shoulders back and drop. As soon as I got through Idford Dip, shoulders back and drop. As soon as I got down Telegraph Hill, shoulders back, and it became a habit. So I didn't actually have to think about it. My body would automatically do it. And the same thing on the way home. As soon as I got up Telegraph Hill, shoulders back. When I got through Idford Dip again. So if you are on regular journeys like that, find little areas or little marker points where you can do this, and if you get into the habit of it, you won't even need to think about doing it. Your body will naturally do it. So today that was about shoulders and elbows down. If you draw your shoulders back, elbows will naturally drop. So yeah, nothing else I can say about that. So we'll see you next week again for another exercise, and next week we're going to be taking it out of the car to do some exercises. So we'll see you then. Bye!